Hello kids. Today also we will see EVS Environmental Studies ICSE Grade 1. The lesson name is Festivals. You can see here the lesson name is Festivals. This is the lesson 5 Festivals. So here are few images given. You can see with regard to festivals there are unscrambled letters are there here. You need to scramble the letters, that is these are jumble words. Okay, these are jumble words. I have already scrambled here and wrote. You just see here. What is this? The festival of colors. Which colors? Which festival is this? Holi. H-O-L-I. Holi. This is which festival? See here. Eid. E-I-D. Eid. This is where we light the lamp. Will we burn the crackers? Which festival? Diwali. D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. See once again. D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. Now, who is this? Who is this? This is a Santa Claus. So he will come on which festival? Will he come in Diwali? Will he come in Holi or will he come in Eid? No, right? So in which festival will he come? He will come on Christmas. He will come on Christmas. So see here. C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S. Christmas. See again. C-H-R-I-S-T-H-M-A-S. Christmas. Okay. So festivals are the one festivals are special days where everyone will have leave, right? Where everyone will have holiday. So festivals are the special days family and friends get together. Family as well as the friends get together. Why they get together? To celebrate and enjoy the festival. So these are the times to have fun and feast. So this is your practice activity just to see which is your favorite festival. Holi. Which is you can write anything, your favorite festival. Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, anything you can write. Then, which is the most famous festival in your region? Most famous festival in your region. Diwali. Now see here, we will see few festivals, that is Diwali, Holi, Eid, Guru Nanak Jayanti and Christmas. These are the 5 festivals which we will be seeing one by one. See Diwali. Okay, Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. See, Diwali is a festival of lights. You can see here, parents are there and the kids are there. They are burning the crackers, right? They are enjoying, right? On this day, what will do? People worship the goddess Lakshmi, right? People worship the goddess Lakshmi and the Lord Ganesha. They decorate their houses with lights. Let me complete till here. I will explain you each and every line. See, they decorate their houses with lights and diyas, wear new clothes, distribute sweets and burst crackers, right? See, what is Diwali? Diwali is the festival of lights. Why lights? They are bursting the crackers, right? So, it will be shining. So, lights are there. Again, they will lighten the lamp, diya, right? Again, they will lighten the lamp. That too, lights are there. So, they will decorate their houses with lights. So, everywhere shining is there. Hence, it's called the festival of lights. Hence, it's called the festival of lights. Diwali is a festival of lights. See again, Diwali is a festival of lights. On this day, what will do? People worship the goddess Lakshmi and the Lord Ganesha. See here, on this day, people worship the goddess Lakshmi and the Lord Ganesha. They decorate their houses with lights and diyas. They wear new clothes, distribute sweets and burst crackers. Now we will see the other festival, Holi. See, Holi. Holi is a festival of colors. Why? See here, so many colors are there, right? So it's a festival of colors. So what happened on the night before Holi? On the night before Holi, a bonfire is lit and people pray around it. You can see here in the picture itself, it's showing. See, the boy is praying. They are lighting the bonfire and people are praying around it, around the bonfire, and then they will start to play the Holi festival. See, Holi is a festival of colors. On the night before Holi, this is they are playing on the night before Holi, a bonfire is lit and people pray around it. People are praying around it. So the next day they will play colorful gulal. It said gulal with each other, right? You can see here children play with the pichkaris. So see, this is a pichkari. So children play with pichkaris, right? So the children are playing with pichkaris. They are having a fun. So in our next festival is Eid. So see here, now we have seen Diwali, Holi, and the next festival is Eid. You can see here Eid, right? So what is Eid? Eid or Eid-ul Fitr marks the end of a month-long fasting and praying called Ramadan. People prepare sevaiya. So see here Eid. So what is Eid? Eid is the one festival which is where Eid or Eid-ul Fitr, it marks the end of a fasting, that is a month-long fasting and praying called Ramadan. Why are they fasting? Because they are praying from the inner side. So fasting and praying called Ramadan. People prepare sevaiya. See here, picture is given. On this day, people go to mosque. On this day, the people go to mosque. They hug each other. See, they hug each other, exchange greetings. They hug each other. See, you can see here. They hug each other. They exchange greetings. Eid Mubarak, like this. They exchange greetings and they distribute alms to the poor and the needy. That is, they distribute alms to the poor and the needy. Now we will see the next festival. It's Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Nanak Jayanti. You can see here the picture. See here, Guru Nanak Jayanti. This is a Sikh festival, Sikhism festival. So see here, it is the birth anniversary of the first Sikh Guru. Who is the first Sikh Guru? Guru Nanak Dev. He founded Sikhism and the festival is also called the Gurpurab. Gurpurab. On this day, what happens? Gurudwaras. This is Gurudwar, right? So Gurudwaras, see here, there is lights are there, right? So on this day, Gurudwaras are decorated with lights. Langars or community feasts are organized at many places. See, once again I would repeat. See, Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Nanak Jayanti. So what is Guru Nanak Jayanti? Guru Nanak Jayanti is the one. Now see, Guru Nanak Jayanti means it's a birth anniversary of the Sikh Guru. Who was the first Sikh Guru? So birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev. He found Sikhism and the festival he named as Gurpurab. Gurpurab. So on this day, the Gurudwaras are decorated with lights. Langas or community feasts are organized at many places. Now we will see the last festival, Christmas, which is very, very important also, as well as every kids would like, because they will get the gifts, right? See, Christmas. Christmas means Christmas is celebrated on December 25 to rejoice the birth of Jesus Christ. See, Christmas is what? It's celebrated on December 25 to rejoice the birth of Jesus Christ, right? So people decorate. You can see here decoration is there, right? It's shining. The house is shining. So people decorate Christmas trees see a Christmas trees, light up their houses and sing Christmas carols. Okay, see once again I will repeat. See, Christmas is the one which is celebrated on December 25 to rejoice the birth of Jesus Christ. So people decorate Christmas tree, light up their houses and they sing Christmas carols. Santa Claus is said to bring gifts on the night before the festival. See, Santa Claus is said to have, that is, it's said to, Santa Claus will bring the gifts on the night before the Christmas, that is before the Christmas festival. So now we will just do a recall what we have learned. What is a festival? What are the festivals name and how each festival is different from the other festival. So see here, festivals means they bring joy and celebration. Whichever festival is there, they bring joy and celebration. So see, Diwali, first festival, Holi, Eid, Guru Nanak Jayanti and Christmas. So there are 5 festivals which we have seen now. Now see here, Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. Holi is the festival of colors. And the festival of Eid. Eid is the festival marks the end of Ramadan. Then comes the Guru Nanak Jayanti, which is celebrated on the birth anniversary of whom? Guru Nanak Dev. Who is Guru Nanak Dev? The founder of Sikhism. Then Christmas, the last festival, which is celebrated to rejoice the birth of Jesus Christ. In our next video, we will see the exercises of the lesson festival. You can see here the lesson festival.